welcome to YOUCANIC. Here we have a Mercedes. This has this ML350, but with a diesel engine, 3.0 engine. The OM642 is the code for the engine, and it's found in a lot of models like a GL, found in the E-Class, S-Class, Sprinters. It's really a very popular engine. So I'm going to show you how to reset those warning messages that you get here. For example, let's say if you had like AdBlue level low, or if you get an error message that says like X starts remaining and so on. Now I'm going to show you how to reset that using the YOUCANIC scanner. So what you want to do is you want to come in here, go to maintenance, and then go to AdBlue, and then go to Mercedes Smart VIN, press OK. You can see 2013 ML GLEs. But again, this engine is found so many makes and models, so you can see engine code 642 control modules, engine electronics. Press OK here. You can read codes, clear codes, but you do need to do that first and then clear the codes. And then once you do that, the error message might still remain on your instrument cluster. So go to control unit adaptations, go to reset a fault message, fault in the AdBlue system in instrument cluster, and then it says fault memory and event memory will be erased. That's okay. Do have the ignition on. I have engine running right now, but technically you will try with the engine on. I'm sorry, we'll first try it with the ignition on, engine off. If you get any failure messages, then go ahead, start the engine, restart the procedure, engine on, engine running, ignition on, and then try it. That's why we have it right now. Press OK. That's done. So that's how you reset those error messages on your Mercedes. Now, thank you for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.